Welcome to Session 5 of the Money Smart for Elementary School Students curriculum. This course will focus on what banks do and why keep money in a bank. Before we start our lesson, be sure to have your Activity 6 Race to the Bank maze for you to complete. Also, don't forget your pencil, some crayons, or colored pencils. In the last few sessions, we discussed the importance of saving money. It's important to pay yourself first and save often and on a good schedule. Whether it's for a small goal or for a really big one like college, you want to make sure you're putting that money in a safe place and that it's not just sitting there. You want your money to work for you. It needs to earn interest. So let's talk banking. The term banking includes credit unions and thrifts. Those are specific types of financial institutions. What do banks do exactly? A bank is a business that offers you a safe place to keep your money. Banks offer many services to help you with your money too. A savings account is just one of those. We talked about putting your money in a savings account because it will earn interest. The picture on the screen dives a little deeper and explains how the bank works for both savers like you and borrowers who need money from the bank, maybe like your parents. You can have an account to put money in to just save. That's a savings account. You can also put money in an account that you will have to take money out of often. That's a checking account. What if you need to borrow money? Remember when we said that you get paid interest because the bank uses your funds to lend out to others? If you need a loan, you will pay interest to the bank for borrowing that money. So if you save your money, you get paid by the bank, but if you borrow, you pay the bank. That's banking in its simplest form. There are many other products and services offered by banks. So why should you keep your money in a bank? One reason is to keep it safe. What happens if someone steals your piggy bank or you lose it? You would be out all of that money, right? But money in a bank is safe from theft, loss, and fire. You also do not have to worry if the bank ever closes or goes out of business. That is because the FDIC insures your savings in an insured bank account. Since the creation of the FDIC over 75 years ago, no depositor has ever lost one penny of insured deposits. I don't know about you, but with that track record, banks sound pretty secure to me. Not only is a bank safe, but it's also easy. You can get money quickly and easily. What happens if you have an emergency and you need to buy medicine, but you left all of your money at home? Some of you have visited an ATM to grab quick cash with your parents. An ATM is an automated teller machine. Maybe you've seen someone slide their debit card, punch in a few numbers, and get some cash out. That's because they have an account with the bank or a sister bank and have quick access to their money. Most ATMs are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Many ATMs offer the ability for people to deposit cash into their accounts as well. That means you don't even have to go inside of a branch to make your cash or check deposit. You can also use your bank's debit card to make purchases instead of using cash. That's when you see someone pulling out a card and sliding it to pay for stuff at the store. Another great feature that banks offer today is mobile depositing. That's when we can deposit a check from your phone into your account. This is also great when you can't make it to the bank during normal business hours. Another reason to keep your money in a bank is when you open your savings account, you are creating a relationship with the bank. You are showing them your savings habits, which will help you when you're an adult and may need to borrow money from them. Maybe for something helpful like a new car, home, or even to start a new business. It's activity time. Grab your Activity 6 handout for me, please. Let's read what it says at the top together. Get your piggy bank to the bank without spending any money. Can you ignore the temptations along the way? The quicker you get the piggy bank to the bank, the safer it will be from theft, loss, or even fire. Hurry! So use your crayon, pencil, marker, or pencil color to lead your piggy bank through the maze to the bank. I'll set a timer for 60 seconds. Okay, the timer's up, but if you need additional time, feel free to pause this video. This is a close-up for the answer to the maze. See if you followed the same path I did to get my piggy bank to the FDIC insured bank. My money is safe. I sure hope yours is too. In the next session, we will recap everything that we've learned over the last few sessions about the importance of saving money and putting it in a safe place that will earn you interest.